The Bitcoin bottom is almost in. That is what this chart is saying about Bitcoin. Because a RSI crash below 35 has historical speaking always been the best buy opportunity for Bitcoin. But in the meantime, we are trading Bitcoin on the lower time frame and we are literally crushing the market. We are right now in approximately $1,000 in a profit on a trade I shared completely free. But the next trading setup is already forming over on Bitcoin and I will deep dive into that trading setup in today's daily update video. But first of all, it is really important to make sure you follow me over on X and you subscribe over on my YouTube channel to never miss something ever again in crypto. And like this daily update video if you love those daily update videos. And let's dive right away into the chart for now. Because if you look at the chart we are currently looking at, what we actually can see is every single time the Bitcoin RSI crashed below 35 and after that a massive rally towards the upside followed for the Bitcoin price. We have been seeing that over in 2015 where the Bitcoin price dumped below the $150 and after that the RSI crashed below 35 once again, and if you bought in at that level you would make a gain of approximately 10,000% towards the upside. Of course, I know these percentages in these markets are not possible anymore on Bitcoin, but it is really important to note it is just a signal that is flashing and the signal is below 35, because if you did so back in 2018 and if you bought that dip, you would be making a profit of $1,900 towards the upside. Exactly the same happened in 2022 and after that a 700% rally towards the upside started. But now the thing comes, Bitcoin just dipped below the 35 level once again. And of course, if we look at the history of Bitcoin, to be really honest, it took some time before the Bitcoin price rallied towards the upside. But one thing you can't ignore, and one thing is for sure, that every single Bitcoin holder who bought their Bitcoin below 35 on the RSI just made massive gains and is in a massive profit. And guess what is happening right now? We are below 35 and I really think that a massive rally will start from off this point and it might take some time. But historical speaking, this is your buy opportunity to buy your Bitcoin. And also with that lower time frame, maybe it might take some time for the Bitcoin to get bottomed. But on the meantime, we can trade the Bitcoin price on the lower time frame, and that is exactly what we are doing here with the whole community, because we have been shorting the perfect top from off this point, completely transparent in my free Telegram group and also in my daily update videos. Right now, the next setup is already forming, because I have been longing the Bitcoin price from off this support after we saw some confirmations. And right now that trade is in approximately a profit of $1,000 here. It is a small trade, but we have been sharing this trade live in my Telegram group and over on my YouTube channel. So please make sure to join my free Telegram group with the first link in the description and to subscribe over on my YouTube channel, because we have been literally sharing free alpha in the free Telegram group. Right now, what are my plans with the trades I have opened? To be really honest, I'm in a long position, but I'm gonna move my stop loss towards break even because the price is looking pretty weak. And right now we are entering the weekend and I will not be surprised if Bitcoin will take a dump further towards the downside. So for that, I am putting my stop loss towards break even to prevent any losses here. If Bitcoin gets weakened in the weekend, I will seek for some short opportunities for Bitcoin. If we pump towards the mid-range here, I will look for confirmations to short the Bitcoin price further towards the downside. And if we break this low towards the downside, I am looking for shorts for Bitcoin. Right now, two things can happen. Bitcoin is strong enough and push further towards the upside. I am in my long position, which is currently running in $1,000 profit, or Bitcoin gets weakened and I am going to short the Bitcoin price further towards the downside and I'm getting stopped out break even on my trade. So both sides are really profitable for me, and right now I am looking for those scenarios on the longer time frame. Right, we can see right over here, Bitcoin is not doing anything here and we just need to wait. And in the meantime, we are trading Bitcoin right as of in these ranges. And the most beautiful part is we are not doing this alone. We are doing this with the whole trading community, which is printing currently in the past few months, because we have been perfectly predicting the Bitcoin price for the last few months here. So please make sure to join the free Telegram group with the first link in the description. And the next moments and the next move for Bitcoin are gonna be very, very exciting here. We are literally printing here with the trading setup I have been sharing, completely transparent over on my socials. And if you want to trade the next big Bitcoin move by yourself, please make sure to sign up over on BitGet with the second link in the description. And if you sign up right now, you can get $100 completely for free. The only thing you need to do is to do some tasks, which are pretty easy to receive a free $100 here. And it is a really good exchange here. You can trade TradeFi, you can trade Bitcoin and crypto here. It is really safe. They have a fund reserve. It is really safe and trust exchange. And right now you can literally get a free $100 if you sign up on this exchange. So please make sure to do so by yourself. And with that being said, the Bitcoin price and the crypto market is heating up once again. Because if we look at the news that is currently hitting the market right now, what we actually can see is that almost 250 million Americans just got Bitcoin in their retirement accounts. And that is approximately $7.4 billion in 401k plans. And they just got access towards Bitcoin. And this is just a massive sign. Maybe not for the Bitcoin price today, but eventually this is just basic economies, supply and demand. And this is news that is shrinking the supply so much that eventually the Bitcoin price will go up. And that is inevitable. And I really think that massive targets will get hit over on Bitcoin. But it is really important to stay sharp in this market because opportunities are flying around here and we are catching them like crazy with the whole community. So if you never want to miss a trading setup once again in crypto, please make sure to follow me over on YouTube, subscribe over on my YouTube channel and join my free Telegram link with the first link in the description. And I will see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update.